Oh, g'day guys, Mr. Oz Adventure here. We are in Kyogle. Big Kev on his V-Strom. The first time I've seen Big Kev on his V-Strom. The usual troublemaker, Captain Cranky.
I think you're the pair of scallywags.
Oh, you're not wrong. We are heading off to Crow's Nest for the AuStrom second birthday roundup. Well, this beat's working. What a lovely way to spend a Friday. Alrighty, Crow's Nest, here we come.
Watch out, world. That's magnificent. What's that mountain called?
Mount Lindsay.
Yeah, we're going right around that. We'll stop at the border anyway and have a bit of a ceremony for Kev.
Oh no, I'm starting to feel dirty already.
We've only got a few more minutes of New South Wales left.
I might take a bit of soil with me, just to remind me of home.
This will be the first time you've been to Queensland, eh?
Yep, never been this far north in my life.
Here we go, Kev, here we go. Here's the border.
No, keeping rabbits in Queensland is illegal.
We'll have to search Kev for rabbits.
But you've got to collect your cane toad at the gate there.
I'm in Queensland.
Yeah.
I feel dirty.
Time to get twisted.
Whee! Whee!
Lots of bends.
I thought you said the roads weren't very good in Queensland once you crossed the border. They're giving us some beautiful twisties.
Yeah, it's just a little bit bumpier than the New South Wales side. Yeah, slightly bendy, isn't it?
It's nice. This is a beautiful road.
Yeah, isn't it? Whoa, that's a bump and a half.
Oh! Yeah, that was my undercarriage hitting the bottom.
Ah, nothing like your undercarriage hitting your bottom. Scrape your pegs on this corner. Bloody amazing scenery around here. This is why they call it the scenic rim, this area. Everywhere you look, there's just scenic stuff. That's Mount Barney.
Yeah, that's Mount Barney there, yeah. I never know where it is. Wow, what a fucking view.
You want to just stop here, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do a good panorama, for sure.
Yeah. Beautiful. So this is where we're coming tomorrow for lunch, down in there. So we're going to try and ride the bikes down this embankment to the grassy area over there. If we can get
easy.
70 bikes down there.
Grassy knoll.
Without getting in trouble.
Got an adventure bike behind us.
Yeah, I just saw that. I was thinking, oh, is that a V-Strom?
Looks like one.
61 to Crow's Nest.
Damn.
Damn pretty.
Damn fine. No swimming, no shrimping, no fishing. No fishing? I don't think I like Queensland very much.
Ah, there she blows Captain. Crow's Nest.
Oh.
I see another V-Strom. I see two V-Stroms.
There must be a meeting or something going on here.
Yeah.
We're here.
We made it to Crow's Nest in one piece. Or three pieces. Alright, now to find a nice camping spot over the other side of the lake over there. I reckon the shade of that tree there looks nice.
Friday night was full of fun and frivolity at the Old Crow Hotel as we all gathered to meet other V-Strom riders who had travelled far and wide, some even from overseas, to gather here in Crow's Nest for the roundup. After a great night and some rest, Saturday morning dawned cool and crisp and foggy, but then cleared to a sunny morning over the campsite and revealed a campsite full of Suzuki V-Stroms. There were people everywhere. Then it was back to the Old Crow Hotel again for a bit more meeting and greeting, some test rides provided by Elite Motorcycles and Suzuki Australia, and gathering to get ready for our respective dirt and bitumen rides down to Lake Wivenhoe for lunch. But before we set off on the rides, there was one more thing we had to do. We had to sing happy birthday to one of our organisers, Mark.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Mark, happy birthday to you. Hey, hey. Now you know how I felt last year.
Now that we have done with the official greetings and proceedings, we are heading out on the road. The dirt ride and the bitumen ride are a go. Everyone's gearing up and getting ready. Let's do this.
Street, saying hello to the people I meet, and I'm killing my love underneath the sun, triggering down like the smoking gun. Yeah, I ain't got no plans, just a rusty voice and an empty gas can. My car's broken down a mile behind, and I've got my life set on rewind, baby. I ain't got no plans, just a rusty voice and an empty gas can. My car's broken down a mile behind, and I've got my life set on rewind, baby.
Could have counted wrong, but 61 bikes with multiple people on some bikes. A couple others have come in cars. Over 70 people here for sure.
Walk down the street, saying hello to the people I meet, and I'm killing my love underneath the sun, triggering down like the smoking gun. Yeah, I ain't got no plans, just a rusty voice and an empty gas can.
How cool is this? Looks so good riding down. Bunch of hooligans.
Here comes the Honda.
Get out of it! This is awesome. There are approximately 60 motorcycles there. Maybe 57 or so V-Stroms. A couple of ring-ins.
Just a rusty voice and an empty gas can. My car's broken down a mile behind, and I've got my life set on rewind, baby.
Okay, so we've left Wivenhoe Dam now. We are heading up to Toowoomba. We're going to Elite Motorcycles, and we're going to pay them a little visit to, see if we can buy anything off them and pay them back for their generosity in sponsoring some of these events. Here we are, Elite Motorcycles. See if we can fit 60 odd V-Stroms in front of their shop. Look at that, that is awesome.
Well, here we are now back at the caravan park. Is that gate going to come down on me? Let's hope not. Oh! That was an awesome day of riding and hanging out with some amazing people. Now it's time for a few drinkies and settle into some evening activities.